Ways to save money buying a home in Carroll County. So look, everybody wants to save money, especially in today's high cost environment that we currently live in. But in Carroll County, there's actually a few hidden levers that most people don't even know about. If you miss them, could literally leave thousands of dollars on the table. So the first one, Westminster city taxes. If you're buying anywhere near Westminster, buying inside the city limits of Westminster means you'll pay city tax on top of county tax. Westminster city tax rate is 56 cents per hundred of assessed value. That's roughly doubling the effective property tax compared to buying outside of the city limits. So for example, let me give you an example. On a $400,000 house, that's over $2,000 a year and almost $200 a month in your monthly mortgage. Knowing this can ensure you see those savings. USDA financing. So about 89% of Carroll County is USDA eligible, meaning if you are eligible because there are income restrictions, you could qualify for a zero down payment loan. So areas like Eldersburg, Sykesville, Hampstead, Manchester, Mount Airy, pretty much all of Carroll County are eligible. Westminster, at least most of Westminster, isn't. So knowing where you're house hunting could mean keeping tens of thousands of dollars in your pockets. Next one. This one's one of my favorites because I'm a data nerd. Days on market advantage. Look, I like playing the stock market. I like comparing the stock's price against the 30-day moving average because it helps me determine is the stock performing well lately or is it underperforming? Same concept for houses. So I like helping buyer clients compare recent sales in a particular price range or even a neighborhood to help buyer clients determine if the homes they're looking for are performing worse than the average or better than them. For example, Carroll County's days on market, time on market for homes, is 23 to 25 days. If you're looking at homes that have sat longer than that, you're often dealing with motivated sellers. That means more room to negotiate on price, seller help with closing expenses, or possibly even upgrades and improvements from inspections. Next one is well and septic versus public utilities. So many of Carroll County homes, because we're spread out here, are on well and septic. Now, a lot of people, this sounds intimidating, but if your inspections come back clean and you're diligent about routine maintenance annually, it can actually mean lower monthly bills when compared to paying a water and sewer bill every month or every quarter. Insurance savings. So this is often overlooked. In Carroll County, homeowners insurance averages out to be about $600 to $800 a year, while the Maryland average is closer to $1,900 to $2,300. Obviously, this is location specific. For auto insurance, Carroll County drivers pay $1,300 to $1,500 a year for full coverage, compared to Maryland's average of nearly $3,000 a year. Again, that depends on where you live. So literally, living in Carroll can save you thousands every year in ongoing costs beyond just your mortgage. Commuter routes and access. So Carroll's a commuter county. If you need access to Baltimore County, Baltimore City, Howard County, DC, Northern Virginia, buying near 140, Route 70, or the Mark Line in nearby Frederick not only makes your daily life easier, it also helps protect your home's long-term value. So here's the bottom line. I obviously love living in Carroll County. Buying in Carroll County isn't just about finding the right house. It's about finding the right strategy that keeps money in your pocket, both now and in the long run. So from city taxes, USDA loans, insurance costs, and negotiating on homes that sit longer, Carroll County gives you those options. There's also the intrinsic value of what life in Carroll County offers that surrounding areas don't, like that community feel throughout the county and every town. Home appreciation of 71% over the last 10 years and still going strong. It's some of the highest in the Baltimore area. And just the overall peace and beauty that surrounds you. So if you want to talk through how these levers could work for you or anyone you know, shoot me a message. Saving money on a home isn't just about luck. It's about knowing where to look. Have a great day.